Today I'm going to talk about the Xtava Black Orchid Diffuser and the Amaxy Reviving Lotus Diffuser. I know the Xtava is a very popular diffuser in the curly community. Everybody talks about the Black Orchid and how much they love it. And I have been so excited to get one for myself and to try it out. Unfortunately, the Black Orchid goes out of stock a lot. I was actually browsing Amazon today and it was out of stock again. And when I was shopping, I noticed that the Amaxy Reviving Lotus looked an awful lot like the Black Orchid. So I figured, why not buy them both? And we'll do a side-by-side comparison and see how similar and how different they are. When I ordered them, they came on the same day, and now let's go ahead and unbox them. All right, let's start out with the Xtava. I've noticed that this box is really heavy duty. It's a thicker cardboard material. It's got quite pretty packaging, and it's got a magnetic open close box here. It's really nicely packaged. I like it a lot. The Amaxy, it's a pretty traditional cardboard box. It's a little bit thinner, a little more flimsy. It's not super sturdy, but it's got a nice picture of the diffuser on it and some features and how to use it. And pretty standard packaging. Let's open it up and see what we've got inside. So here we go. Whoop. There is the Black Orchid. It's wrapped in some plastic. Let's move that aside. And it's a pretty nice diffuser. It's got a really deep bowl. Let's open up the Amaxy and see what we've got in here. All right, they're packaged pretty identically once you get on the inside. It's the same plastic wrapper. And let's see. All right, let's open the Black Orchid. All right, here is the fan favorite, that Black Orchid. It's got some nice little rubber stops here to help it stick to your blow dryer a little bit better, and a lot of airflow. It's a really pretty diffuser. I'm excited to give that one a try. The Amaxy, it's got the name on it. The Black Orchid does not have a name on it. Let's pop this one open here. All right, let's see them side by side. All right, so they look pretty identical to me. They've got the same build on the inside, the same shape on the outside, and the nozzle slots are pretty similar. The Black Orchid has a little bit different rubber stops here. They're a little smaller. The Amaxys pop out a little bit more and they're a little bit more firm. But other than that, I think they look pretty identical. I don't know. Tell me what you think in the comments. Have you tried the Amaxy out? Do you have the Black Orchid? What do you think? I feel like maybe the Black Orchid might be a tiny bit heavier. So that means maybe it's a little sturdy, a little more sturdy. I'm not sure. We'll have to give it a try. I am going to go ahead and give these a try on my next few wash days, compare them out, and I will be back to let you guys know what I think and how they compare to one another.
Check out these close-up images of the Black Orchid and Reviving Lotus. Stay tuned for my next video where you'll see me do a side-by-side test. They look the same, but do they work the same? You can find links to the products below, and don't forget to subscribe and check me out on Instagram.